What's going on? It's your boy Wutang, Brooklyn Zoo, Wutang Clan. So you know what it is. R.I.P. ODB. Yo, I want to give a big shout out to my man Reef the Lost Cauze, son. Yo, he murdered it tonight. Y'all should have been there. You know what I'm saying? Yo, get at your boy, boot him up. You know, holla at me so we can do some joints together. Yeah, it's time to let them know New York ain't playing. And also, yo, I gotta give a major shout out to Huge Wax Films, because they doing things huge. They're getting it waxed on, wax off, waxed up in the club. And the film is definitely looking good. I look good in it, you look good in it, you should be there. R.I.P. ODB, we love y'all, right? Brooklyn Zoo, Wutang.
We go, oh, 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 yeah, it's the sound of Philadelphia. Check it, welcome to the home of brotherly love. Brothers covered in blood, the man's office covered in bugs. The youth dreams cut short, swept under the rug. Love itself is outweighed by the love for the drugs. Go Eagles, fight big fuck T.O. We ain't hard to find, homie, just follow the we smoke. See, we eat rolls and grease beef, so overweight and evil. A city of justice unequal. The shadow of New York we still under, so we try to kill them every summer. You know, walk a little tougher. Girls busting how we chose to fight, when you can go from being a star to a scumbag overnight. Streets often deserted on the coldest nights. Old hands drinking Thunderbird, show you right. Half a mass if you know your rights. Open tight, smoking pipe, pavement gamblers, rolling dice. Short sentence describe your whole life. Low expectancy and a low price for a low life. The mind of many here shines so bright, but they can give a fuck in their crib, it's no lights. Everybody rhyme and they claim they so right. Sit down, take it all in. Civilization, this is where it all ends. The city I call kid, yeah, so take caution. The sound of Philadelphia, gunshots and pretty beats. Come along with me, hear my city speak. It's talking to you, it's giving you a heads up. It's saying that people around here,
it's getting better.
It's the sound of Philadelphia, gunshots and pretty beats. Come along with me, hear my city speak. It's talking to you, it's giving you a heads up. It's saying that people around here,
it's getting better.
What scoops the fruits of our labor, made by moves that's major. Hood gossip never news from the newspaper. Don't ask me for shit, we never do favors. The elders are now just a bunch of recluse neighbors. Tax scholars go to prisons, you judges, new chambers. Love it when you lose, kill you if you came up. Niggas passing disease, fucking the same slut. You either cutting the demo or getting cane cut. Don't go to school, they'll treat you like a lame duck. You ain't my master, yeah, it's a shame, but what do you expect from kids who need respect? Cause no one was at home for them to learn respect from. We respect guns, we respect funds. Let's face it, my future don't look like the Jetsons. Don't ask the government for help cause we expect none. Our heroes get murdered, replaced with the next one. It's like a wild western, a way out, I hope I get one. But I doubt that will happen cause the crab's in the barrel. I'll probably end up in a cage cause I had to let a blast from the barrel. The city of Philly, the city of Philly. It's the city, the city, the city, the city. It's the sound of Philadelphia. Gunshots and gritty beats. Come along with me, hear my city speak. It's talking to you, it's giving you a heads up and saying that people around here. It's the sound of Philadelphia. Gunshots and gritty beats. Come along with me, hear my city speak. It's talking to you, it's giving you a heads up and saying that people around here. I said it's getting kinda hectic. 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 Yo, much love, y'all. I appreciate y'all time.
Everybody doing their thing tonight, man. WAXHUG,